Let's start. The project name is Popup Menu. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. And in the menu folder, we have a popup_menu.xml file, which has the menu items for the pop-up menu. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a button, pop-up menu. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the button. In the popup_menu.xml file, this is the menu. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, when the button is clicked, we inflate the popup_menu.xml file. And when the menu items are clicked, we show their name in a toast. And finally, we show the pop-up menu. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a pop-up menu in Java Android. Thanks for watching.